So I bought Nlst yesterday and I sold it. I bought it around 281. Right about, let's see, what's the high here? High here is 290. I missed this hump. I think I got in right around here. It based low again, and it looked like I saw some strength. So when it got back up to here, I thought it was going to break out of this range. And look at the timing. It's right around 3 o'clock. I thought, since this is the first up day, you can see this is a true gap up on some press release that Dell has qualified their memory for use in their servers. So I thought this had the potential to squeeze at the close since it's up so much. I mean, it's not up so much, it's up a lot on the day, and it held the gains. So I predicted that it was going to attract people to try and play a gap up and also for short covering. But looking at this chart, you can see that didn't happen, and I started to lose my patience. Probably right around here. I think it was like around 340-ish. Yeah, right around here, 340. 20 minutes to the close. I gave it past the 330 mark just in case, and the buyers never showed up. So I was like, forget it. I need this stock to show a little bit more strength. I wanted it to get closer to 3, maybe test this one more time. If it closed near it, didn't break it, that's fine too. But I didn't just want to see like it hanging around here because this looks a little indecisive. Markets are up. Yesterday they were up over 200 points. So the chances are when the markets are up that much in this kind of a negative atmosphere, the next day could be profit taking. So it could be a down day. So I didn't want to risk it. This morning, you can see it's moving up a little bit in the pre-markets. Hit a high of 290. People aren't exactly dying to get in on this. The volume is pretty low. 6,300, 2,000 shares. It's not really big volume, and it's a low price stock too. So if it was a $30 stock, that would maybe mean something, but it's less than $3. You can't short this at Sogo Trade. Sogo Trade only lets you short stocks over $3. But I'm kind of looking at this as a potential short because this stock has, if you look at the daily chart, this is why I like Strategy Desk. I can kind of have these two charts up simultaneously so I can see the long-term situation and the intraday situation. And you can see long-term, this stock, has been downtrending a lot. It's what's known as like what Timothy Sykes would call a crow, where it just downtrend. It's very tough to buy these stocks because you got all these guys here who can sell on the way up. It's pretty tough. There needs to be like some spectacular news. That said, though, at $3, this is what I was gaming for. If it breaks through this could be viewed sort of as a technical breakout. The $3, right around this $3 level, is pretty significant. So whether it gets there today, I don't know. I think playing this trade is kind of mixed. Where's it going to fall down to? It could fall down. Well, actually, it could fall down to the low 2s. But it's up on the news. It's kind of tough to play this, to be honest. I don't think this stock is going to drop into low 2s very quickly because big moves usually happen only when the stock has already made a big move up. So in this case, it didn't make a big move up, so it's not going to drop like a rock, probably. So that's that.